Let's be real, you're probably playing the wrong game. Stop trying to beat your competition. I'm going to show you how to create a whole new one that you can actually win.
Okay, so this all comes from the brilliant book Blue Ocean Strategy by Kim and Malbarn. And here's your new mission, should you choose to accept it: escape those bloody red oceans of cutthroat competition by creating your own untouched blue oceans of new demand.
All right, level 1, escape the red ocean. This is where everyone's just fighting over the same customers and it's a race to the bottom.
But see, the goal isn't to fight harder. The goal is to make the competition completely irrelevant. So here's your first quest. What is the single biggest thing everyone in your industry competes on? Is it price? Is it features? Think about it. Got it? Okay. Moving on to level 2, map the battlefield. To find that blue ocean, you first need a map of the current red one.
And for that, we use the strategy canvas. It helps you visualize where everyone is putting their energy and, more importantly, where they aren't. That's where you'll find your opening.
Quest 2 for you. List 3 specific things your competitors are all dumping money into. Just jot them down real quick.
Now for the fun part. Level 3, the 4-move combo. This isn't about outspending anyone. It's about outthinking them with a killer framework.
It's 4 simple questions. What industry standards can you just eliminate? Which ones can be reduced way below the standard? What should be raised way above it? And what can you create that the industry has never even seen before? Which brings us to Quest 3. Name one standard feature in your industry that you could eliminate today. Just one.
And hey, stick around for the bonus round. You've got the strategy, but you need your team on board, right? That's where tipping point leadership comes in.
So forget trying to convince the masses. That's a waste of time. Your bonus quest is to identify the one key person, that kingpin who holds all the influence. Win them over, and the rest will follow.
If you want to dive deeper, I've got a free 1-page PDF summary of this whole thing waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment.
And of course, if this helped you think differently, a like, share, and subscribe would be awesome.
Now, I want you to comment below. What is your next single step going to be in the next 24 hours?
And while you're at it, let me know what book you want me to cover next. I'll pick the most requested one. Thanks for watching.